Hi, my name is Joseph, and for today's experiment, we will be comparing monocot and dicot plants for Lesson 4 of the Botany unit from The Good and the Beautiful. For this experiment, I went outside and gathered a dandelion plant, complete with roots, and some grass, also with the roots. We are going to determine which of these plants is a monocot and which is a dicot. A dicot plant has one main root, while a monocot plant has multiple major roots. Based on that, is our dandelion a monocot or a dicot? That's right, it's a dicot because it only has one main root, while you can see that our grass is a monocot because it has multiple roots. Another way to tell is by looking at the leaves. In a dicot plant, like this dandelion, the veins on the leaves branch off from the center. In a monocot plant, like this grass, the veins on the leaves are parallel, running up and down the leaf.
Be sure to check out these Open and Go homeschool science units and many more on goodandbeautiful.com. Also, download our free marine biology unit today.